Engareno koludo kotido district kesda delosi analo maknatari tunga aijalire raikeche anwalo star boys ono Teso nepeka Acholi anudai moi nyamat.
There's a great trek happening in Kotido district. Last week 275 women have left Kotido without counting the children. Some of them are moving with 3 children, some with 2 children. They are running away from the hostile environment. Remember 2 weeks ago, warriors have started killing women, the Rikitai in Ila, and they kill the women and burn them in the house, and giving threats to the neighboring women. So those neighboring women have run away. You find somebody selling the little sorghum he has to board away and go to the nearby areas.
The situation is getting bad. On anger situation, yesterday I launched food distribution, which was donated by one of our partners, one of our churches, PG Church, some food to some identified households in the Town Council. Anger is going to hit our people. Beginning this month, that's January, February, March, April, May, June, July. If the weather doesn't change, doesn't behave well, if the rains don't come and early enough, people are going to die of anger.
First scenario was I saw 2 trucks, and it didn't cause an alarm, and it didn't create, it didn't look like a security threat. But when I was told later that another 2 vehicles were loading more people in the Total petrol station, I rushed there, only to realize that another 3 had already taken people.
Deja ngono da ichoto manotunga lum kesda pono buiki na bonguno district akech itunga luda Acholi anoda Ikaramoja apiority aichana kuikeda koko ibore yenda mamengarono koludo kotido ishala mikitos.
Unfortunately, the security people around Abim are bringing back these people who are running away from hostile environment. Now, if we did that to Acholi, to the Langi, to the Teso who are running away from Coin, would we doing the justice? When you are bringing somebody, you should create somewhere where somebody can stay in a peaceful way and provide for that person food, shelter, and accommodation.
I have also witnessed another 2 vehicles bringing the same people whom they took back. Now, this means that these people had money to pay for transport to and fro to Agago. The people from Agago are saying, no, we don't want you here, because sometimes you have a problem. And I was also informed that most of those women are widows because their husbands have got killed, either by security forces or by their counterparts.
Apotuda ilipata pugan arugu keske redio inyamata anoda yuara itungalu.
I call upon government to move with speed to begin the processes of procuring food to come and rescue the people of Kotido.
Our population in this area is about 200,000. And it was not that only government was supposed to feed them. I've also highlighted to you that the harvest was not bad. We got a lot of sorghum, and we have had this sorghum going up to Rwanda. Fortunately, I have moved with you to the field. You have seen enough sorghum, what that has been translated into Ebutia, the alcohol. You've seen it yourself.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Kotido.